up guys, it's Shakia, and I know you've probably seen one of these videos trending on YouTube that I tried to follow a blank tutorial. So I wanted to do one for myself, but instead of makeup I decided to do a hair tutorial. And I guess a little side note or like fun fact, the reason I actually went natural was because of the Glam Twins. So back in high school, I think I was like maybe 17 but during that time my hair was like, it was at a stunt growth period and I just did not like it. It was just not cute. So I was on YouTube one day and then I saw the Glam Twins video, how to transition. So I'm like, what is this? You know, so I clicked on it and the minute I saw their hair, I was like, I knew I wanted to go natural. I was in love with their hair. I want my hair to look just like theirs. Of course, not knowing what my hair texture was, but I kind of used them, I guess, as a guideline for my natural hair journey. So I thought it was only right to do the Glam Twins. And Kelsey and Kendra, if you're watching.
How you doing?
But anyway, so I'm going to be doing Kelsey's drugstore curly hair routine that she shot last year. Let's go. I love me some Glam Twins, y'all. Like, you have no idea. Yes. Yes. Alright, so right now she's washing her hair. I already apparently have washed my hair. And she used the Manuka and honey, which I have.
It works the best for me. I hate washing my hair in the shower.
Bam!
And I also get
right there.
Back
and I actually love this line from Shea Moisture. One of my favorites, but I will say I've never used the conditioner by itself. So Kelsey slick put me on because I thought it wouldn't cleanse my hair because my hair was really dirty. So I was a little scared at first, but it actually did pretty good.
And I also drag.
So I'm gonna go ahead and take my hair down.
But I mainly try. My scalp does get kind of itchy. This conditioner works really well as a co-wash conditioner. I like it a lot. You guys know I love this line because I'm obsessed with the deep conditioner. So yeah, I'm just co-washing my hair and making sure that it's.
And I also already deep conditioned my hair with the same Manuka and honey line. I just bought one of the little small pouches from Walmart because I didn't want to buy the whole jar.
Okay, after I co-wash, I like to deep condition. Of course, you guys know
my hair is
and I
super duper soft
and deep
like,
conditioning, and I use the same line. It's amazing, and I like to use the matching oil.
It just dried out a little bit because it's been sitting in a t-shirt, so I'm gonna have to re-wet it.
Guys. So here I'm just gonna be sectioning my hair into 4 quadrants so I can start styling.
Okay, so gotta section my hair. Y'all know I don't section my hair. I just do it like piece by piece and put the rest up. I'm gonna stop being lazy today, you know.
So for my washing goes, I like to stick to the lock method, and if you don't know what that is, it's basically leave-in, oil, cream in that order. So that's exactly what I'm going to do.
Okay, so she does the LOC method. I do the LCO method.
And for my leave-in, I'm going to be using the Aussie Mega Moist Conditioner
on my hair.
Now this is not
her hair looks a little more wet than mine because she went straight from the shower. I did some stuff and let my hair dry. So I'm going to just re-wet it a little bit.
Leave-in, this is actually a rinse-out conditioner, but this is a really good way to save money because a lot of rinse-out conditioners you can actually leave in your hair and use them as a styler.
We're gonna see how I like that because I don't really like using conditioners as leave-in.
So this is a really good way that Kendra and I like to save money. We just find one of our favorite drugstore conditioners and leave it in. You can also co-wash with this. It's a really good co-wash conditioner as well because the Aussie Moist has a lot of slip. So I just really like this to leave in my hair. It makes it super shiny and it defines my curls really, really well. So I've been using this as a leave-in a lot.
I already know this is way too much for my hair. Okay, so she said she likes to be heavy-handed, so see, with me, I usually go light on the leave-in and then heavy on the cream. So it's like the complete opposite.
After the oil. So I'm just going to be clipping my hair back up after I've applied my leave-in, because you don't want the hair to start to dry, because you still have to put in your oil and your cream. So keep that in mind when you're using more than one product to style your hair.
And that's another thing that
up so that
I
it
do
doesn't
differently.
dry before
I like
you
to just
finish
apply
styling, because you don't want to apply
all my products at once,
hair,
like to each section, I guess,
into the hair shaft that
so
way.
that's a little different
keep
for
a
me.
spray bottle handy if your hair is drying out while you're styling, because as you can see, I have water dripping down my neck, because I like to apply my styling products to super wet hair, because like I said, that's how you're going to get the most defined curls.
So I'm going to go ahead and do the front two sections and come back when I'm done with that. I'm going to take down the section.
Okay, so next I'm just going to apply my oil and my cream. So for the oil, I'm just going to be using this Dove Regenerate Nourishment Serum / oil. I really like this. It smells so good, and it makes my curls super shiny and soft. So I'm just going to apply a few pumps of this into each section, and I'm going to follow that with my Garnier Fructis Curl Nourish Buttercream. I love this stuff. I have used this as a leave-in before, but I've been using it lately as a cream, because it does say buttercream, so it works really well as a finisher, like I'm using it now. And by the way, when I'm applying my oil and my cream, I make sure I like mash the product into my hair just to make the curls clump together, so that they're nice and bouncy once they dry. So mashing the product in really helps to define the curls and make them clump together a lot better.
You guys, my hair has grown so much.
This is all of the products in my hair. Now I'm just going to let my hair air dry. I try not to touch it because touching it can make it frizzy, so I just basically air dry for the rest of the day.
Alright, you guys, so I'm going to let my hair air dry. I really don't know how long it's going to take. It usually takes about 8 hours. So like Kelsey said, I'm going to try not to touch it because I am super impatient with everything that I do, but I'm not going to touch it. I'm not going to touch it. Another thing is, you guys know I like super dramatic edges. I love to lay down my edges while my hair is still wet, so I can't do that either. That's going to be different for me, but I'm willing to see if I like it. So when it does dry, I'm going to come back and show you guys my results. Alright you guys, so my hair is now 100% dry, and it took about 9 hours to dry, and my curls are pretty clumped.
Sometimes a little bit longer depending on how much product I use, but about 12 hours. So now it's the next day, and I'm going to...
So now for the final step, which is what the Glam Twins call it, scrunch out the crunch. And basically where you get an oil and you just kind of scrunch your curls to break the hard cast on it. She used the PYT Argan Oil Serum, but I decided to use one of the other ones she was holding up, which is the John Frieda Frizzies serum. And I know she said she alternates with any one of those oils, so I'm just gonna put a few pumps like she did. So it looks like she's just grabbing like one side and just kind of going down while squeezing the crunchiness out, I guess.
Crunch out whatever crunch that the styling products left behind. So that's pretty much what I'm doing here, and I'm basically going to style.
And it actually is making it fluffier. See this side compared to this side?
As usual, I
so you know, Kelsey and Kendra are kind of known for the like deep side curly
to
parts.
The left side, just because
she
I
said
like
she
to
wears
wear
it
it like
left
that. And
side.
because my straight hair, I like to wear to the right side. But I like to switch it up so that my hair doesn't get used to being parted one way. So my curly hair,
like that,
I just
she doesn't really part it with a comb or anything. So I don't think my hair needs to be a little longer to rock the deep part. Not just yet, but I don't hate it. What do y'all think?
Okay guys, so that pretty much completes my current favorite drugstore curly hair routine. I'll give these products a go, and I will see you guys in my next video.
Y'all, I'm feeling this hair a little bit too much. I think it came out bomb actually, and I love the definition of my curls. They're super plump and bouncy. I can definitely rock this, y'all. And I didn't even do my edges, like what? And I still like it. You did that, Kelsey. You did. I would say this tutorial was a success. I just can't wait till my hair get to their length so I can be like,
feeling myself, I'm feeling myself, I'm feeling myself, I'm feeling myself.
Okay, I'm done with that, y'all. But yeah, let me know what you guys think down below, and thank you guys so much for watching. And also I want to give a shout out to Kelsey and Kendra. You guys are amazing. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!